What if losing part of your brain didn't end your story, but triggered a rebuild? For octopuses, brain damage isn't always the end. Sometimes, it's the beginning of regeneration. Octopuses are among the most intelligent invertebrates on Earth. But what makes them truly extraordinary isn't just problem-solving. It's their ability to recover from serious neural injury.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Unlike humans, an octopus doesn't keep most of its neurons in one place. Over half of its roughly 500 million neurons live in its arms. Each arm can sense, decide, and move, almost on its own. This distributed system means damage to the central brain doesn't shut everything down. When an octopus loses an arm or suffers nerve damage, something remarkable happens. Neurons begin to regrow. Axons reconnect. Signals start flowing again. This isn't just healing tissue. It's rebuilding communication. Scientists don't just look for regrown nerves. They test behavior. Can the octopus hunt again? Explore? Solve problems? In controlled studies, injured octopuses regained coordinated movement and learned behaviors. That's functional brain recovery. Octopus neurons produce high levels of growth-associated proteins and experience far less inhibitory scarring than mammalian brains. In simple terms, their nervous system allows regrowth instead of blocking it. Understanding octopus neural regeneration helps scientists study why human brains heal so poorly and how regeneration might be encouraged in the future. No, humans can't regrow brains like octopuses, but biology often hides clues in unlikely places. Octopuses don't regrow an entire brain from nothing. They regenerate damaged neural tissue and restore function within biological limits. It's real science, not science fiction. If an animal can rebuild its mind, what does that say about the limits of intelligence and recovery? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.